How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. To recover an old WhatsApp account with a SIM, you have to contact with the support of WhatsApp. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application. Once you check that, launch the WhatsApp application and make sure you have logged into your account. Then tap on the settings icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you will see help option. Tap on that. From there, go through the help center and again scroll down to the last. There you will see contact support. Tap on it. There you will see description box where you have to explain that you lost access to your SIM and request help recovering your account. WhatsApp might guide you through verification option other than the phone number. You can use your email verification and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.